Yo guys, put my eyes closed. Yes guys, we are playing Train Sim World 5. Guys, we're not going to do it just as a video like this guys. We are going to do it as a time lapse. Because it's easy guys. Because, yeah. But, I will add some nice music to it for you guys. So yeah. See you then guys. Hey guys, I'm here by the way. Yes guys, we play Train Sim World. Um, So let's go guys, so we're on this scenario guys where we're driving a diesel. So we will drive a bit guys. Here we are guys. Mate, you should be standing that close to the train moving out, mate. So let's have a look at where we're going. So usually guys, you would go from the north thing, but we decided to go from there, and this is the route we're doing. Our next stop is on there, guys. I just pop myself down there for a minute. Okay. Yeah, so that's the Xbox just in there, guys. And this is the controller. We're gonna pop back up to the top, guys. We will time that some of this, guys, because it'll just get boring me talking. Especially when we don't music, because it's YouTube video. Last, well, we're gonna go Teddy. We're not really big in sport. You take over. Okay, so we'll do a time at home, guys. Not, when we get to the station, guys, we're going to start the time lapse. Let's do the whole way. We're not going to enter the station before the time limit. Unless we get speed limit. Because we're going uphill, we need to. And keep it that. That should be right. We won't have this anyone not on. Okay. Don't know how far we are from the station. We're not far from the station now, guys. So once we load the passengers, guys, I'm going to go 3, 2, 1, boom. We're going to start a time lapse, guys. Here, obviously, this is going to be very slow. Dad? Now I am, guys. I don't know who this lady is. This is just this is my colleague. She's like, I don't know what she does. Yes. So we're coming. So we're coming up to the station now, guys. So when we get to the station, that's the time we start. just try it out. We get nothing. So guys, I figured out with this trade here, guys, you need to leave. When we stop, this has to be left. I'm just gonna over check. Okay, guys, you're not seeing that. People walking. Just making sure everyone's connected. Yep, everyone's connected. Okay, so we've got a green signal. So guys, let's start the time lapse in 3. Let's start the time lapse in 3, 2, 1. Boom. Yes guys, this video will be continued. Sorry guys, the train did break down, so we couldn't do any more, and my Xbox did crash. But guys, we will be bringing more series out like this on the YouTube channel guys. So if you're not already subscribed guys, do not forget to hit that subscribe button, like, and turn post notification so you never miss a brand new video guys. And guys, stay tuned for the next cruise video coming out soon. I'm not allowed to say the date, but guys, stay tuned for that. That'll be out in a couple of months. So yeah, subscribe.